National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, the Tasco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 5 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated showers and thunderstorms capable of producing a waterspout and wind gusts in excess of 34 knots over Pinehurst, moving northeast around 10 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Waterspouts can develop suddenly and can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous waves. Seek safe harbor immediately. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
At 3 p.m. at Philadelphia International Airport, heavy rain and fog were reported.